land where equality is not just a slogan, but more of an artistic demonstration. We hail and stand, one in one, working hand in hand in order to feed on rice, grains, and cattle in order to live. Now in this same land, we are not just one in terms of agri, we are a whole lot more into trades of textures and carving. It wasn't about quantity or quality. It was about how determination, hope, struggle, and dreams would be in vain. Into the forest to capture our racing hearts away from distress. We are the men, the women, the boys, the girls. We are the weak, the old, the strong. We are a nation calling out in voice. A voice of admiration, bold and confident, towards north, from all angles of the horizon. The